Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here that is about cosine A minus cosine B equals to negative number 2 sine of A plus B over number 2 and sine of A minus B over number 2. So this is about cosine A, this is about cosine B. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and now we have like this. Now this one we can solve. This one we have B over number 3. Next, I will put number 2 cone here. And now we can put like this. Now we have the formula in here. So when s approaches to number 0, sine of as over as equals to number 1. And now the value of this one equals to number 1. Now we can put number 0 cone here. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative 1 over 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.